Have you ever stopped to think about how the elements in your living space impact your emotional and psychological well-being? The materials we choose to surround ourselves with can have significant effects on our mood, productivity, and overall health. Among these materials, wood stands out as a powerful ally in home decor, offering numerous benefits that extend beyond aesthetics. Using wood furniture and decor in our living spaces can serve not only as beautiful design elements, but also as healing tools that foster comfort, stability, and emotional resilience. One of the primary benefits of wood in interior spaces is its innate warmth and natural beauty. Wood has a unique ability to create an inviting atmosphere that evokes feelings of safety and comfort. Unlike cold, synthetic materials commonly found in modern decor, wood's rich textures and organic patterns offer a sense of gravity and connection to nature. This connection to the natural world can be soothing, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. Research shows that natural elements in our environment positively impact mental health, and wood brings a piece of that natural world indoors, enhancing our living experience. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to add warmth and beauty to your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, wood carries with it a sense of authenticity. Each piece of wood possesses its own unique grain, color, and texture, leading to a distinctive character that synthetic materials cannot replicate. This authenticity not only enriches the visual landscape of a room, but also fosters emotional connections. When we surround ourselves with authentic materials, we inherently feel more at ease and secure. This emotional grounding can be particularly beneficial in times of stress or change, allowing us to cultivate a sanctuary within our homes. Wood can also play an important role in promoting mindfulness and presence in our daily activities. Engaging with wood, whether through crafting, arranging decor, or simply enjoying the presence of wooden furniture, can serve as a form of active meditation. The tactile experience of touching wood, the visual nuances of its grain, and the scent of natural finishes all contribute to grounding us in the moment. This mindfulness can ease racing thoughts and foster a sense of calm, encouraging us to be more present in our lives. Creating spaces that support mindfulness can lead to enhanced well-being, better stress management, and a greater appreciation for the everyday moments. The durability and longevity of wood furniture further emphasize its value as a healing tool in our living spaces. High-quality wooden pieces are sturdy and can withstand the test of time, making them valuable investments in both style and functionality. This longevity translates to a sense of reliability. Knowing that the items in your home will endure daily wear and tear fosters a sense of stability and comfort. In an age where everything appears to change rapidly, having durable wooden pieces can provide a reassuring sense of permanence and continuity in our environments. Another important aspect of using wood in decor is its capacity to enhance indoor air quality. Unlike many composite materials that can emit harmful VOCs, volatile organic compounds, natural wood is a non-toxic option that contributes positively to the atmosphere of a home. Wood can naturally absorb humidity and help regulate moisture levels, leading to a balanced indoor environment that supports overall health. Breathe easier knowing that the materials surrounding you contribute to a cleaner, healthier living space. This improvement in air quality can lead to better emotional and physical health, creating an environment conducive to healing and well-being. Wood also serves a practical function as a material that promotes functionality in our decor. Wooden furniture and accessories can serve multiple purposes, maintaining practicality while enhancing aesthetics. A wooden bench, for example, can offer seating while doubling as a place to display plants or books. This multi-purpose nature helps foster an organized and efficient living space, which can alleviate feelings of chaos or overwhelm. An organized environment often contributes to a clearer mind, making it easier to focus and work through challenges. In this sense, wood enhances not only the beauty of a space, but also its livability and practicality. Moreover, incorporating wood into our living spaces can foster creativity and self-expression. Crafting or arranging wooden decor encourages a hands-on approach to design, inviting us to personalize our environments in meaningful ways. Whether through DIY projects or selecting pieces that resonate with our individual styles, using wood allows for a greater exploration of artistic expression. This creative engagement can serve as a therapeutic outlet, helping individuals channel their emotions, stress, and thoughts into tangible forms. This process of creating can enhance mental clarity and emotional well-being, reinforcing the connection between physical spaces and our internal states. Furthermore, the social aspects of using wood furniture and decor should not be overlooked. Wooden pieces often encourage gatherings and connections among friends and family. A wooden dining table naturally invites shared meals, conversations, and memories, fostering emotional bonds between loved ones. Spaces that celebrate communal experiences contribute positively to emotional health, reinforcing a sense of belonging and connection. These interactions can enhance social well-being and help mitigate feelings of loneliness or isolation. The sensory qualities of wood extend beyond its visual beauty. The tactile experience of encountering wood connects us to natural textures and forms. Engaging with wooden surfaces can promote a sense of comfort that artificial materials cannot replicate. The warmth of wood invites touch and interaction, grounding us in our physical environment. This sensory engagement supports an intuitive connection to our surroundings, making home feel more like a sanctuary. In addition to its aesthetic and sensory benefits, wood serves as a link to our personal and cultural histories. Many wooden pieces carry stories, whether they are inherited from family members, crafted by artisans, or cherished gifts from friends. This history lends emotional depth to our living spaces, as each item embodies memories and experiences. By surrounding ourselves with these meaningful pieces, we cultivate a space filled with personal significance, which can be profoundly comforting and grounding. Moreover, the act of caring for wooden furniture and decor can lead to a greater appreciation for craftsmanship and artistry. Understanding the nuances of wood, such as its grains and finishes, can create a deeper connection to the material and the artisans who create it. This appreciation encourages mindfulness and respect for the efforts that go into making our environments beautiful, promoting emotional well-being. Taking the time to care for and maintain wood pieces can foster a sense of responsibility and stewardship toward our personal spaces, further enriching our living experience. The use of wood in our homes also aligns with the tenets of biophilic design, which advocates for incorporating natural elements into our living environments. This concept has been shown to promote well-being, creativity, and productivity. Wood is a fundamental part of this biophilic approach, serving as a bridge between the indoor and outdoor worlds. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to add warmth and beauty to your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.